Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is so embarrassing. It's been so long, but I'm back. Today I'll be showing y'all how I made these beautiful Pop Smoke nails. If you want to see how I did it, make sure you stay tuned. Alright, y'all, starting off with the nails. They're already prepped. I'm using the Couture Beauty XL Stiletto nails. I already buffed them, and now I'm just going in with the foundation. You know, the regular Beetles foundation. I'm just going to go over everything before I begin the paint job. Alright, that's out the dryer. We're about to get to it. I'm using Beetles 335. This is like a jelly color. And I'm just using that on 2 fingers on both hands. And then I'm going in with this baby blue. I don't know the name of it, but I'm just going in with that. Then I'm going in with this glitter. Next hand, same thing. 2 dark blues, 2 baby blues, and the glitter. What the hell? The glitter. Oh my gosh. Popping those in the dryer. Then we're going to do a second coat. And then we're going to get to the design part, my favorite. Alright, so these are the water slide decals we're using today. I made these myself. They're available on katoribeautycontact. And for the pinkies, I'm using this Dior, what is this called? This is like Dior nail foil. And I don't want it to be on there perfectly. I kind of want it to be on there a bit messy, if that makes sense. You'll see when I do it what it looks like. My vision is going to come to life. It'll make sense. Okay, sorry this is like not in the screen. Girl, this is my first video back and I just was acting like this was my first time. I didn't know what I was doing, but yeah, y'all see it's not going on there neatly and I wanted a little bit more, so I just popped it into the dryer and just did that one more time. Then after this, I'm going to go on into the second nail and do the same thing. Okay, now that those are done, I'm just showing you guys the decals again. For this one, I'll be starting off with that bandana one at the top, and I'll be placing that on the baby blue nail. And you're here, this is the only time you're going to see me do this. I'm using a top coat to like make it kind of more movable, if that makes sense. And now I'm just going to use my 180 grit nail file. Child, this video is so out of order because it was the first one I filmed in a while and I was just kind of a little lost. And I was just showing you guys I did that pinky off camera. Next we're going in with the Pop Smoke, and that's going on the glitter thumb. Yeah, girl, I'm so Okay, and the next we're going in with this portrait. As you see, it did not stay because it just was not hitting for me, so I ended up putting it on the sky blue nail, and then I took it off and decided to put on a different one because I didn't like how it looked. It just looked like it was really washed out. So I'm going in with this one. It's a mirror pick, but I'm only using half of the mirror pick, as you see. Yeah, you can see I'm just using half of the mirror pick and I'm just putting that on the nail. That looks a lot better, a lot more pigmented. The other one just looks super washed out to me. And now I'm just using the picture from his Rap Genius. I forget which song it was, but that's a clip from the Rap Genius, and I'm just putting that on. And the yellow, I feel like it gives it contrast. And yeah, next we're going into the next hand. Okay, now you see me putting on the rose, and I'm putting this on the silver finger because in the original picture it is a silver backing. So focus, there you go, and it blends in. And next I'm going in with this smoking one, and this is actually going on the thumb. And as y'all see again, as I place this on, I do not like it because it just looks so washed out. So you see I put the no hand. It just felt like it was too light. So I'm going in with another portrait like the previous one. I had two of those on there, and I'm just going to place it on the thumb. I don't know why it looks better on this finger than it did on the other finger, but yeah. Okay, next I'm going to pop these into the dryer, and then I'm going to file off the sides with my 100/180 grit nail file. Okay, so now here, this is where the struggle bus starts. I want to put a crown on that nail, and I didn't want to use nail gem gel because I felt like it wouldn't stick, so I was using nail glue, and it was like sticking to my finger, and then it was sticking to the tweezers, and it was just a mess. But I got down how to do it, and so you see I just added the crown to that, and I added like a little gem on the pinky, and now I'm just adding regular stones. And I used nail glue, but then I ended up switching to this like polished on glue, and it worked pretty good. Alright, so now I'm just showing y'all what I did. I put the crown, I put some stones, and I put a gem, and that nail right there I just touched is going to be nail caviar. And for this one, I'm going to start using the letters. It's actually the second attempt. The first attempt I threw away because it just looked like garbage and the letters were too big. So I'm just using these, and I'm writing out whoa on there. And it's pretty simple. So sorry that this is out of focus, out of frame, but I was just really off this day, I'm guessing. Okay, now you see I'm just painting on that gem glue. It's like a paint on thing. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm just putting a couple stones at the top, keeping it pretty simple. Oh, so pretty. Okay, now I'm going on to the rose nail, and I'm pretty much doing the same thing, painting on a little bit of glue, and then just putting a couple stones at the top, nothing too fancy. Same thing here, just adding stones at the top. Sorry that it's not even focused, but it'll get better. Okay, now here is the nail caviar. I've never done this before, so I was pretty nervous about fucking up the whole nail, but it worked out obviously. So I'm just getting a bucket, and I'm showing you guys the nail caviar. It's like Swarovski AB caviar. Never did this before. So I just went in and I used it like the painted gem gel, and I just painted it on, and I actually cured it for about 10 seconds so that it could get a little bit more sticky when I poured the stones on there. Alright, so now I'm about to start pouring the stones on. I was kind of nervous. I was just hoping that it turned out right and everything would stick. And it did, so that's a plus. And now you're just going to see me going back and forth, pouring it from that box to another box, trying to get everything filled. And then I'm going to pick up a brush and try to do it. Like, this is my first time, so I don't know exactly how it worked. And then it kept going out of focus, which was like irritating the hell out of me. But yeah. But doesn't it look good? So sparkly, so pretty. I actually want to start incorporating caviar more now that I know what it really is and how it looks. I like it. So now I'm just showing you what that hand looks like all done. Nothing too extra. I didn't put the gem on the pinky. I'm going to put that on off camera. As you see, I pick it up. But yeah. Okay, never mind. I actually have a clip, so you guys are going to see me put the gem on the pinky. Where are my words today? But yeah. Okay, so now I'm doing this nail and I'm gonna put caviar on half of it, but like I'm gonna come back to the camera and the whole nail's gonna be filled because I changed my mind. I didn't want half. I just wanted to fill it like the other one so they could be identical. Alright, y'all, and this is the final set. I really like how everything turned out. I like the nail caviar, I like the stones, I like the gems. Everything just turned out pretty good. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. As always, these nails are available on my website at katoribeautycontact. Link in the description box below. And have a wonderful day.